This is Rimon, the Cosmogranate. Rimon is an interactive installation that uses ultrasonic sensors to track people inside the space. As they move through and dance around and interact, the light patterns change and adjust their color, their brightness, and their activity. Rimon is a responsive object that comes from originally a two-dimensional illustration of a cosmic pomegranate that a futuristic character I created uses to travel through time and space, to commune with their ancestors, to feel the empathy and connections of the universe. This project is deeply meaningful to me and connected to the Jewish high holidays. And I hope the general public coming to interact can make a great connection to a sacred Jewish object in a positive and beautiful way.